What you're about to experience is the greatest renaissance in human history.
They expect fully AI employees.
AI.
Artificial intelligence.
People are going to be unemployed in huge numbers.
AI's potential impact on employment.
Here's my grand theory. We are super fucked.
There is a small window of time right now, a really unique moment in history where starting a YouTube channel has gone from something I've always believed in to one of the smartest ways to future-proof your income against AI. But that window is closing fast. Ladies, class is in session.
Here's my grand theory. We are super fucked.
When billionaire Chris Sacca said this about AI and jobs, combined with AI company CEOs predicting 80% job loss, it confirmed everything I've been teaching. While everyone's panicking about AI taking jobs, there is a massive opportunity with YouTube that most people are missing. And if you've been on the fence about YouTube, this might be the wake-up call you need. Billionaire venture capitalist Chris Sacca was asked, would you send your kid to law school right now?
No, definitely not.
We have fewer lawyers at our firm now than we did a year ago. It's just fucking great. Would you teach your kid accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, bookkeeping right now? Would you have your kids write marketing copy? Would you train them to write any news other than writing for the very top newspapers?
No, probably not.
Dude, go down the list of fucking skills, man.
So what's left?
Here's my grand theory. We are super fucked.
That's not one person's opinion. The CEO of Anthropic, one of the leading AI companies building this technology, is saying the same thing.
Dario, you said that AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs and spike unemployment to 10 to 20%. How soon might that happen?
You know, I've been building AI for over a decade, and I think maybe the most salient feature of the technology and what is driving all of this is how fast the technology is getting better. A couple of years ago, you could say that AI models were maybe as good as a smart high school student. I would say that now they're as good as a smart college student and sort of reaching past that.
So here's what's happening right now. 80% of jobs are disappearing. Not someday, now. IBM paused hiring 7,800 jobs. Shopify won't let you hire anyone unless you prove AI can't do it first. If you do boring work, you're in trouble. Jobs that follow the same process every time. Doctors diagnosing basic symptoms, lawyers doing template contract reviews. If your job is a series of if this, then that decisions, AI is coming and it's coming fast. The thought of this many jobs being lost is absolutely devastating and terrifying. I personally don't love AI or think it's the best thing for humanity at all. I wish it was never here. While we're waiting for lawmakers to wake up, we have to learn how to survive this. And that's what I'm trying to help you do here. Cal Newport, computer science professor at Georgetown, who wrote Deep Work, identified 3 types who will thrive in the AI area. And here's why I think YouTube creators fit perfectly. First, people building AI-powered systems. Marketers creating automated workflows. Developers building the actual tools. YouTubers are already doing this, using AI for research, thumbnails, editing, while keeping their unique voice. Second are people with serious money. Not everyone, and honestly discouraging if you're not in that group, but AI can help you get there and build that capital. Third, people who are the best at what they do. And before you think, that's not me, I want you to hear me for a second. You do have unique combinations of skills and experiences that nobody else has. AI handles all basic answers, but your unique perspective getting rarer by the day. As AI becomes prevalent, people get lazy and they're borrowing ideas from ChatGPT instead of thinking originally. Don't be one of them. Be original, introspective, creative. I've got a decade producing YouTube channels specifically for women in particular niches. That exact combination, nobody else really has it. Your business skills, parenting outcomes, specific expertise, these perspectives are about to become 10 times, 100 times more valuable. And YouTube is where you'll showcase them. Audience is currency now. You can create the most amazing product, but if you can't teach people how to sell it, you've got nothing. YouTube isn't just another social platform, it's historically generated the most income for creators, period. TikTok and Instagram, they are discovery tools, but YouTube builds wealth. And here's why YouTube is different. Your videos work for you for years. I call it the perpetual profit pipeline. Content you create today generates income tomorrow. I've been teaching the concept of 1,000 true fans in my YouTube bootcamp for years. You don't need millions of followers to make a living. You need about 1,000 people who genuinely care about what you do. So think about it. If you can get just 3 clients paying $5,000 each, that's $15,000 a month. Or 500 people paying $10 for a subscription, that's $5,000 in monthly recurring. We're talking about finding 1,000 people on an internet with 5 billion users. That is not a massive task when you look at it from that perspective. And you don't need to know your end product yet. Build community around your expertise first. Then use AI to create products, apps, or whatever else, but only if you have an audience to sell it to. Content creators, specifically YouTube creators, will be the next wave of independent millionaires. I'm not being dramatic, I genuinely believe this. Getting eyes on you isn't vanity, it's survival in this new economy. While AI terrifies me, a little bit does excite me because it's unlocking creativity like never before. I use AI as a research assistant, not a replacement for my thinking. It helps me create content I never had bandwidth for as a busy mom running a business. And right now, there is an arbitrage opportunity. The world hasn't caught up to AI yet. You can be hyper efficient. Personally, my business is thriving. Waiting list of clients. I don't need YouTube to sustain my business. But I'm here on YouTube creating content, practicing what I preach, building for future products I want to create. If you've been on the fence about YouTube, I cannot express how strongly I feel that now is the time. The opportunity is massive, but it won't last forever. And this isn't about side income anymore. This is about replacing jobs that possibly might not exist in 5 years, maybe 3. Maybe you want to quit your job and do YouTube full time, or maybe add extra income to your family. Take financial pressure off your spouse. Create a legacy. There is no better way than YouTube.
Everyone I've talked to has said this technological change looks different. It looks faster, it looks harder to adapt to, it's broader. The pace of progress keeps catching people off guard.
So here's some perspective. Before industrialization, 80% of workers were self-employed. They were artisans, farmers, creators. Only 10% are self-employed today. So what happened? We got trapped in repetitive, mechanical work, the exact kind of work that AI is about to take over. I think that we're actually returning to what work used to be: mastery and meaning, discovering and pursuing your life's work. Companies are getting smaller. We can't count on organizations for our livelihood anymore. We have to create our own security. But here's what's incredible. If you're willing to work, all gatekeepers are gone. You can reach the entire world with a camera and internet connection. The AI revolution lets you monetize your expertise in ways that were impossible before. Build systems around what you know. Become part of the leverage class on your own terms. Go deep in your passions. Figure out what problems exist in those spaces. Business skills, personal experiences, unique outcomes you've created, all becoming incredibly valuable.
For ordinary citizens, I think it's very important, learn to use AI, learn to understand where the technology is going. If you're not blindsided, you have a much better chance of adapting.
Your ability to work with AI to refine thinking, amplify impact, and automate boring tasks, that gives you the power to reach millions. Don't know exactly what you want to create yet? Start building an audience around your expertise. YouTube is where you do this. Starting a YouTube channel might be the smartest career move you'll ever make, especially if you or your partner has a boring job that AI is targeting. Don't think you have forever. People starting now will be positioned to leverage AI for whatever they build. Your future self will thank you for starting today instead of waiting. So ready to take action? I'm hosting a free live call breaking down exactly how to use AI for your YouTube channel. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Even if just a fraction of you act on this and what I'm saying today, that makes me feel good. But if you're going to be one of those people, really commit and say, I'm doing this. I'm doubling down and creating something for myself. So what's one thing that you could start today that might have 10x or 100x impact in 12 months? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this whole AI revolution that's coming? Does it scare you? Does it excite you? Do you feel personally that YouTube is a great strategy for you to try and survive in this AI economy? Let's have a chat in the comments. I find this whole AI topic really, really interesting, and I really want to start getting some more conversations around it because I do think as women, it's really, really important that we do that. Ladies, until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and most importantly, keep being you. Up next, I know you're gonna love this video, also about YouTube and AI. Mwah.